guys, welcome to my channel. So I know that sometimes life can be a mess, and I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. I feel like sometimes I try so hard to achieve certain goals and stay on good habits, and like 95% of the time I either stay on it and then drop it, or I just don't have the motivation to do so. But I can't help have the urge to, you know, start all over again and to try to just get back. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to be regrouping and I'm going to try and get back on track, and I'm just going to show you guys the process, and hopefully you can find something that can give you motivation or give you inspiration regarding some of your recent goals. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. I'm gonna make my food for tomorrow. I don't want to make it in the morning and it takes too much time, but I will show y'all. I won't talk as much because I usually focus a lot on cooking. I'll come here because I'm filming.
Right now?
Mm-hmm.
To me.
I am. These two little words possess the am, are you. I am balanced. I am peaceful. I am brilliant. I am magnificent. I am educated. I
So it's 7:06 and I'm supposed to be out here by like 7:25, but I also have to eat, so I'm gonna do my makeup really fast. My fit is like giving really 2000s right now, but just like, I don't know if I can talk and do my makeup. But I'm not really good at multitasking sometimes, or the fact that I don't usually do this pretty often might be the case. But I'm really happy I decided to do this video, because it kind of gave me a motivation to It gave me motivation to want to get my life together, because sometimes I do want to get my life together, but I feel like I just don't have the energy. Like I want to get my life together, but I don't want to get my life together, if you know what I mean. And I'm so happy I chose to do it, because now I feel better about myself and I feel better about where I'm gonna go next. This year has been so stressful. I want the stress to end. I want it to stop. Sometimes I just want the world to like freeze, like hold on. I'm just getting a hold of things, and then like you're flipping the status and I'm like, why? But I also think it's the fact that I've been limiting myself to what I know and not like allowing myself to grow, like allowing myself to detach from certain ideas. But yeah.
Oh.
It feels like a new season in my life. But I really hope whatever you guys are going through, or like whatever life stage that you are, that you can find happiness and you can find value, because yeah, we don't live too long. And I forget that a lot. So just like learning to understand how precious you are, because you are precious, and taking the time out of your day to take care of yourself and your well-being, and like take care of your life. So yeah, sometimes I just feel bad and I don't want to deal with makeup. Like makeup can be a burden for me, but it can also be like an advantage. There's a spider on my wall. Oh my god. Oh my god. How do I kill it? Oh my god. Ugh. Now it's on my bottle. Anyways, I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna film later, so bye. I'm about to go to school. It's so pretty today. It is so pretty and gorgeous outside. Like, look at this door. Doesn't it look like ethereal? It just looks so pretty. And look at my outfit. Like, can't wait to go today. Okay, bye. So I'm home from school and I need to get a little bit of things done, like my room. It's not too bad because I generally keep my room a little bit more cleaner. My shoes, I really need to rack. My shoes are like flopped onto, and then I need to like clean my closet, and then I have like a pile of clothes that I'm not really sure are clean. I have like things over here that I like need to organize, but I will show you guys just like me cleaning, because I just need it to be clean. Like, I need to get it together. I've been reading this book for about 3 days now. It is this book. It's a very popular book. I found it on TikTok. It's very mature. It's very mature. But I think I can handle what's in here. I'm literally almost done. Look at that. Like, that's literally only in 3 days. I've never read a book in 3 days. I'm such a slow reader, but this book is so good. And I love this author. I'm gonna search her next books. Okay, so I'm gonna go drive for the first time without being in my driving school. I'm so scared. Like, I'm gonna drive around the neighborhood with like my mom and stuff, and we're just gonna go to like the shop because I want to get like these knockoff Apple headphones that I saw from like Five and Below. This is crazy. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's about to be crazy, y'all. I'm not gonna crash, I promise. I'm not gonna crash. Okay, we landed swiftly. I did a good job. I didn't film because, yeah, I was so scared. But I did good. My parking was like horrible. We're gonna go buy the stuff right now. Look at this guy though. So pretty.
Why do you park so quickly?
Why do you park so quickly?
I never drove.
Exactly. How would you know?
I actually have.
How would you know, Tana?
So when you turn 16, you're gonna go to New York.
Yeah.
So Chichi can teach you how to drive.
Exactly.
I ain't doing this twice.
So just pretend right here that I'm talking and, you know, doing my normal things because they were playing copyrighted music in the background. And I wasn't trying to get copyrighted. This is just how the headphones look like. I was scared they would be like, you know, out of stock, but they weren't, and I was excited. But this is just me like exploring the rest of the store. And then they had like some workout things. It got me into like the workout mood. And yeah, this is just, yeah. So I'm back, and to finish out the night, I'm gonna have like a little self-care sesh. I got these eye patches and I want to try them out. I also have this to like do my nails, but I just want to like have a little relaxing sesh, you know, to myself. Oh, that feels, oh gosh, it's been up like for so long. I'm excited. I feel so trendy. I feel so TikTok girly. Let's try these out. I've never tried out eye patches before. This is like my first ever. OMG. I don't even, this brand, Rejuvenating Goldust, it's not a brand, it's just how to use. Thoroughly clean your... It smells kind of funny. Do I look funny? I look so funny. What is going on? Okay. It feels like little slugs. Little watery thingies. Wow. It's probably gonna chip off in like 2-3 days. It's one of those cheap nail polishes. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching all the way. If you like this video, make sure to watch this one. I'm sure you'd really like it if you liked this one. And I'll see you next time. Bye.